this YouTube channel. My name is Martin, and today I'm going to show you something very important as far as the privacy of your documents is concerned. So sometimes we operate on machines like laptops and other computers where our documents are vulnerable to the unauthorized hands. Now today I'm going to show you how you can protect your document that you deem very confidential. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you are going to put a password on your PDF file. So as an example, we have this document here. For example, let us say this document here is confidential. So it's the Journal of Marketing and Strategic Management. So we assume that this document is confidential and we are not at peace when this document is on my personal computer like this. So I need to protect it because it may land into the hands of unauthorized people. So how am I going to do it? How am I going to put the password in this document? So today I'm going to show you a very simple way that you can do it online. So make sure you stick to this video, click the subscription button, and also like and comment. So the first thing you do, you open your browser, your favorite browser. For me, I use Firefox. What you're going to do, you are going to search lock PDF, because we have a PDF, we want to lock it, so you search. So it's going to give you a variety of options. So you are going to choose the first one, this one, I love a PDF, and it's going to, so you click it, protect PDF. So it's going to redirect you to this site. So what you do here, you are going to select the file, and our file is here. Our file is here, business. This is the file that we see that is vulnerable. So there is a section here where you are supposed to set a password to protect your PDF file. So what you do, you put a password. For example, let me put a password of the name Martin in small letters. So I also put another, I confirm, like that. Then you click protect PDF. So what you do, it has already updated the password. So what you're going to do, you are going to download the protected PDF. So you can see business protected file being downloaded here. So it has already downloaded it, and it requires you to put the password. So remember, our password is Martin. So we put the password like this and we click OK. So you can see we have already protected our document. So what you can do, you can go back and delete the unprotected file because it is the same file. So we can delete this one, we can move it to bin and later delete it, and remain with this one, the protected version of the PDF. So if we open it like this, we are going to input our password. So our password, remember, is the name Martin. So we are going to put our password like this, and we're going to have this document. So this is a simple way you can use to protect your document online. Thank you so much.